Yeah, it's called Volcano. This house, a volcano, but I'm sentimental still. There's no place like home, you know. I thought that you brought me down, that life was a fight to prove who I really am, and it took too long for me to see myself saboteur, was stealing the show. But I can't be anyone but me. I can't write any songs but these. I cannot move about this earth, always trying to prove my worth. My mind's a volcano full of thoughts, but I can choose the words. I can't be anyone but me, and that's all I need. Those words about me, they caught me right in my throat. I just couldn't sing a note. Now I fell on the words. I thought I was only just beginning to really know my worth, and it took too long for me to see myself saboteur, was stealing the show. But I can't be anyone but me. I can't write any songs but these. I cannot move about this earth, always trying to prove my worth. My mind's a volcano full of thoughts, but I can choose the words. I can't be anyone but me, and that's all I need. So lately I've been changing all my ways. I have been waiting for a change to come my way. Oh, now time, it's moving away, and every moment here is just like a brand new day. And y'all waste every last ounce trying to please the crowd, when really there's no second chance.